I got this AEG microwave. The customer's complaint was that the microwave is not heating at all. So I opened the unit apart, check all my micro switches, which is the common problem. Everything seemed okay. I checked my diode, capacitor. They seemed okay. I pulled out my magnetron, which is responsible for heat in this microwave. This is the magnetron. I tested it. My testing showed that there's nothing wrong with it, but actually what I saw was this area was kind of burnt. It had a little bit of sparks and burning discoloration right here on these pins. So I was able to use my brush, this brush, a steel brush, and I run it really good. I got a little bit of scratch marks here, some debris here. That's not an issue. So it looks that this customer had a loose connection into the magnetron. These pins you can see on the magnetron that goes on this microwave, one of them were loose and it was a sparking possibly and not heating, and it was this one. You can see a little bit of discoloration. Look at this one, look at this red one. The red one looks really good and clean. So sometimes when your microwave is not heating, it does not mean there is something really wrong with it. It could be a loose connection, and that's why you have to find a guy who knows what he is doing, or a honest person who would take care of this for you. The guy brought this microwave a couple years ago for me to repair something on it from outside of the city, and then today last week he brought this microwave again for me in my garage. As you can see, all the appliances I'm working on, I got a chance to work on it this morning, and of course I have a one service call at this time I have to go, but I thought I'll just open this quickly and look at it and see what's causing this issue. So the whole problem was loose connection into the magnetron. There's nothing wrong with the magnetron, and I'm going to show you these pins. Loose connection into these pins what definitely caused the the microwave to not heat. And I will also show you the model and serial number on this unit. It's located right here. Thank you. I have the microwave plugged in, and this is a 240 volts power cord that has. I had to kind of work like a handy man here, and of course I'm gonna run it now to check the heat. Quick start here. So the microwave is fixed now. As I mentioned before, the problem here was the loose connection on the magnetron, and it's running fine now. I'm still not gonna just look at my light here and say that yeah, it's fixed. I'm still gonna run a cup of water inside for a minute and see how hot it gets. I have it for about 3 minutes and it's running now, and you're gonna see it's boiling. I will open it in a second or two. I just want to make sure it really boils, and that confirms that everything is working inside. I can smell orange outside. Okay, so I'll stop it. It's running perfectly fine. Thank you guys.